can film on your third attempt.
Yeah. Right? Yeah. Am I scaring you, Tyler?
I didn't think it was spinning. I thought it was just gonna slam into it.
I know everything's fine. It must have like it straight glitched out or something. Because I know everything's fine because this is my third time doing it. The only thing that I know can possibly go wrong is that the chamfer comes out incorrect. But I fixed my tool, so...
I just didn't think the spot was spinning. I thought it was just gonna flat.
It looked like it was sitting still. Yeah. Poke right into it, just break the tip. Jeez. Stop. Now, for some reason, though, every time I watch that, I don't really care. It scares me every time. Just because of the way it works. I'm just like, dude, I feel like I could just, fail so easy. How's it come out? Yup.
This is a scary one.
Yeah, because it's so damn small. The cutting feed rate's only like 12. Making chips fly.
No, Andrew did. Back when he made me do it. I was happy I didn't have to do it. I didn't want to drill a hole in the mill. We don't have to. No, he wanted me to drill that hole. He said he made Andrew do it, and I was happy about that.
Are you gonna try and get one of these machines when you're older for the house? Like a mini?
That's quite a bit of money.
Fuck yeah, it is quite a bit of money.
That's one wire in there.
It'd be super cool to have though. Moment of truth, boys.
It's fine.
Dude, it sounds like it's fine because it sounds like it's barely doing it, so.
That's what it sounded like last time too.
Hey, shut up, bro. No, that thing's golden. I can see it.
Down my stuff. So I can go run my...
Nice. Yeah, boy.